Last session we have seen types of computer networks. Now today we will see the types of topology, computer networks based on topology. We have discussed already the mesh topology. Now we will discuss the star topology. What is star topology? A hub or router is connected to many clients. These are systems. These all systems are connected to a single system that is called hub or a switch. Here is a server is used and RJ45 means registered jack. RJ is registered jack 45. It is a 8-bit connector. It is used here. And what are the advantages? Advantages of star topology are it is centralized. As we can see here, all the clients are connected to a centralized system. Here we can add another system and there will be no such any problem. If here one system fails, it does not affect other system. అంటే see ఇక్కడ వేరే systems we are adding here. ఇక్కడ if we add one another system also there will be no problem. And if some damages happen to this client, then it will not affect other client or this system. These are the advantages of star topology. Now we will discuss the disadvantages. Okay, disadvantages ఏంటంటే it has high cost. If central computer fails, entire network fails. Here we have learned that if some new system can be added and if it will be affected, no effect on other systems or on the whole network. But here is a central system. If this central computer fails, then the entire system will get affected and it has high cost. Okay. So now let's go to the bus topology. What is bus topology? In bus topology, all the systems are connected in a linear manner through a drop line and a top. Here these cable ends are used. And what are the advantages of bus topology? It has less cable. If we are using these systems in a single line, then we use less cable. For small size networks, it is more preferable. Okay. Now let's go to disadvantages. What are the disadvantages of bus topology? See, terminators are required. Terminators are very important in this as it is a single linear network. If device added, speed will decrease. See, if we add any device here, then the cable length will increase, and due to length increase, the speed will decrease. Okay, and it is difficult to identify problem. As it is in linear manner, we have to check one by one if some problem has occurred. It is not used for large networks. It is preferable for just small size networks. And if cable fails, network fails. Here cable plays a major role. If there is any damage in the cable, then the network will also get failed. This is about bus topology. Now let us go to ring topology. What is ring topology? As you can see, the ring topology is in the form of ring. Here we use repeaters. Using repeaters, the stations are connected together. And it is unidirectional. In ring topology, we have only one unidirection. And there is also bidirectional. But in bidirectional, we will use LAN and WAN. In ring topology, packets of data travel from one device to another. Okay. What is the disadvantage? Disadvantage is it must pass each workstation slower than star topology. As it is in ring topology, we should pass one by one to all stations. And it is always slower than star topology. Here hardware cost is high as we are using here repeaters. It is expensive than Ethernet. And what are the advantages of ring topology? See, data flows in one direction. As data flows in one direction, then collision will reduce. Data is transferred in high speed. And additional workstation is added without affecting performance. Okay, if any workstation we want to add, we can add. And there will be no such any effect on the performance. As we can see in this bus topology, if we add any workstation, then speed will decrease. But there is no such problem in this ring topology. Okay. Now let us go to hybrid topology. What is hybrid topology? Yet now we have seen this ring topology, bus topology, and star topology. These all are physical topologies. Now this is a hybrid topology. In hybrid topology, two or more physical topologies are combined. Okay, so here you can see these are the three bus topologies which are connected to a switch. So it is a star topology. Bus topology in a star topology. Okay. And these are LAN, MAN and WAN networks based on size. What is LAN? LAN is local area network. It is used for small size like room, campus or building. It use 10 to 100 Mbps speed. Here two PCs are connected through a LAN. These are used for sharing files, folders, pictures, printers and other things. Here coaxial cable or cat cables are used. Due to short size, there are errors. Errors will decrease like computer lab. It is a LAN, so we have a small size, so errors will decrease. Like we can use it in our computer lab in our colleges. What is MAN? MAN is metropolitan area network. It is used for 5 to 50 kilometers distance area, and LAN will increase, so data transfer will decrease. See, if LAN is decreasing, then data transfer will decrease. An example is organization branches in city. Like if there is a college at JN2, what are the colleges of JN2? They are connected together using the MAN network. And what is WAN? WAN is area of country or state. WAN is used in a country. If a company has so many branches throughout the country, like Reliance or any other country, Tata Docomo, so it is distinguished in terms of geographic range. Based on the environment, it will change. Uses satellite and microwaves. What is ISP? ISP is Internet Service Provider. It is used in this WAN network. It varies over location. Example, internet. Okay, so we have seen about networks based on size. There is also two types of ANDA, that are WLAN and SANs. SAN is storage area network and WLAN is wireless area network. Here it uses high frequency. It is used in radio waves. It provides short range connectivity with high speed data transfer.